The next part of our petty cash fund, after we do the journal entry to establish it, is to do a reconciliation. So most often companies will do this at the end of the month. So they'll go ahead and add up all of the receipts. They'll put it into some sort of accounting system. So some will just put them all into Excel and add everything up and categorize them. Some will actually put them in individually into their accounting system and categorize them. And in our case, we're just going to put it into our learning management system to categorize them. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to read through all of the transactions as they happen, and then I'm going to move and categorize them all. So on February 5th, it says purchased paper for the copier, $22. So I'm just going to see the categories that I have, and the purchase of paper seems to fit the best under office supplies. So when I do my journal entry, I'm just going to do one entry to office supplies, and this is just a part of it. So let's see here. Purchase of photocopy paper, and that was $22. The next one, it says paid $38 COD charges on merchandise purchased for resale. Assume Halifax Fitness Consulting uses the perpetual method to account for merchandise inventory. So I know I'm going to put that as part of the inventory account. So I'll move down. And I see inventory. I'll put February 9th. And that was COD charges on purchase of merchandise, and that's $38. And I should probably put a date for the purchase of photocopy paper, which was the 5th. Okay, now on the 12th, I paid $17 postage to express mail a contract to a client. So I probably have a postage expense account, which is right here. So again, I'll do February 12th and express delivery of contract. So I'm just really writing down a little memo for what it's for. And then that was $17. On the 14th, it says reimbursed Kim Martin, the manager of the business, $148 for business auto expenses. So I'll just look to see if I have an auto expense account, which I do right here. So I'll put that one under that category. February 14th, reimbursement, and that was $148. Then it says on 20th, purchase stationery, $65. So that's just paper. So I'll probably just put that under office supplies. So February 20th. Let's see, purchase stationery, $65. Then it says paid a courier $8 to deliver merchandise sold to a customer. So I might have delivery expense account. We'll just see here. Yes, I do here. If not, I would have put it under office, but since we have a separate account for it, we'll put it here. So February 23rd, delivery of customers' merchandise for $8. On the 25th, it said paid $20 COD charges on merchandise purchase for resale. So again, I'm going to put that under inventory. So here's my inventory account. So February 25th, COD charges, and that's $20. And then I paid $24 for stamps again. So because I do have a postage expense account, I'll put it under there. If I didn't, I probably again would have put that under office. So I'll say purchase stamps. And then that will be $24. And then on the 28th, it said, resorted the petty cash receipts by accounts affected and exchanged them for a check to reimburse the fund for expenditures. However, there was only $11 in cash in the fund. In addition, the size of the petty cash fund was increased to $500. So let's see how we would deal with that. So the good news is every company is going to have their account titles. So then we just have to categorize which account to put it under, which we did. And then what you would do under each account name, you would just add everything up. So in this case, delivery expense is only $8. Auto expense is $148. Postage expense is these two added together, which is $41. The merchandise inventory are these two added together, which is $58. And then the office supplies is those two added together, which is $87. So it did do a total for us, which is $342. And then my fund total is my $360. So again, it's this amount. That's how much I funded it for. And then I have $11 remaining. So just subtract that from the total. So we went into the petty cash fund. We allocated all the receipts. I counted the remaining cash in there and I put that there. And then what we can do is take the 360 minus the 11, and that's how much is in the petty cash fund. And that means that we are actually short by $7, which is just the difference. Take 342 minus 349. So I'm just going to stop here. So I'm not actually going to increase my petty cash fund in this step. I'll actually do that when I go ahead and make the journal entry for this working paper that I just did.